1932 Ford Tudor. Price: $27,999. Mileage: 71,936 miles. Location: Sebring, Florida. A genuine 1932 Ford Tudor that represents one of the most iconic years in early American automotive history. Finished in classic red with a complementary tan interior, this Tudor carries the unmistakable body lines and character that made the 1932 Ford models legendary among collectors and hot rod enthusiasts alike. Powered by a traditional flathead four-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission, it delivers an authentic, hands-on driving experience that connects the driver directly to the golden era of motoring. Showing 71,936 miles, this vehicle is in fair condition and runs and drives, though it could benefit from a tune-up and carburetor adjustment to reach its full performance potential, making it an ideal opportunity for an enthusiast who appreciates mechanical involvement and classic car ownership. The title is clean, the vehicle is paid off. 1937 Ford Pro Street. Price: $42,500 OBO. Condition: used, good. Location: Littleton, Colorado. A bold and beautifully built 1937 Ford Pro Street that perfectly blends classic pre-war styling with aggressive modern performance. Under the hood sits a strong 383 Chevy stroker engine producing approximately 400 horsepower, paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission for smooth yet powerful acceleration. This combination delivers serious street presence along with reliable drivability. The body has been professionally tubbed to accommodate massive 15-inch rear wheels, giving it that unmistakable Pro Street stance. A Carson-style removable top adds versatility and a custom touch, allowing you to enjoy open-air cruising whenever desired. Features include power windows, pop-lock doors, electric steering, air conditioning, and heat, making this classic enjoyable in various weather conditions. The interior is designed for both style and function, complementing the car's aggressive exterior look. 1926 Ford Custom Rat Rod. Price: $11,950. Location: Rhinelander, Wisconsin. A bold and aggressive 1926 Ford Custom Rat Rod built on a high-quality custom fabricated frame, designed for serious street presence and raw performance. Under the hood sits a massive 500 cubic inch Cadillac engine paired with a matching transmission, delivering tremendous torque and unmistakable power. The engine runs smooth, though it currently needs a cam to reach its full performance potential, making it a great opportunity for an enthusiast to fine-tune and maximize its output. This build is far from a basic project. It's a solid, purpose-built machine with attitude. The stance, proportions, and mechanical setup give it that authentic rat rod personality, rugged, loud, and unapologetically unique. Ideal for hot rod events, cruise nights, or anyone who appreciates custom fabrication and B-Cube V8 performance, this 1926 Ford stands out in any crowd. 1940 Buick Hot Rod. Price: $25,000. Mileage: 82,000 miles. Location: Lakeland, Florida.
Well guys, here's video of this super nice, loaded up 40 Buick. 350, power steering, power disc brakes, runs and drives absolutely perfect. Super nice cruiser here. Nice interior. Check this baby out. Every single thing works like it should. All gauges, turn signals, lights. Super cool car here, guys. PM me cash or trade, you never know. This bad boy toy.
This 1940 Buick Hot Rod is a straight, solid classic that blends timeless pre-war styling with dependable small block performance. Finished in an eye-catching blue exterior over a clean gray interior, the car offers a sharp, well-balanced look that stands out whether cruising through town or parked at a local car show. Under the hood sits a strong-running 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth acceleration and reliable power. Equipped with power steering, PS, and power disc brakes, PDB, the vehicle provides confident handling and improved stopping performance, making it far more comfortable and user-friendly than many stock classics of its era. Inside, the cabin has been upgraded with bucket seats and a center console, giving it a custom street rod feel while maintaining comfort for driver and passenger. Aftermarket gauges have been installed and are fully functional, allowing accurate monitoring of engine vitals and enhancing both practicality and style. 1959 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible 2D. Price: $39,900. Mileage: 97,200 miles. Location: Coral Gables, Florida. An iconic 1959 Chevrolet Corvette convertible finished in striking red over a matching red interior, a true representation of classic American sports car heritage. This second-generation Corvette carries the unmistakable late 1950s styling with its sculpted body lines, chrome accents, and timeless roadster profile. Showing 97,200 miles and equipped with an automatic transmission, the car presents as a solid, nice old car with strong visual appeal. The paint is described as nice, and the interior remains in good condition, maintaining its classic charm. A new soft top has been installed, adding value and ensuring enjoyable open-air driving. Mechanically, the vehicle will require restoration work, making it an excellent opportunity for an enthusiast or collector looking to bring a vintage Corvette back to peak performance. With a clean title and no significant damage reported, the foundation is there for a rewarding restoration project or gradual mechanical refresh while enjoying the car as is. 1923 Ford T-Bucket. Price: $13,000. Mileage: 300 miles. Location: Wylie, Texas. A vibrant 1923 Ford T-Bucket hot rod in striking red with a black interior, combining classic styling with modern upgrades. With only 300 miles, this T-Bucket features numerous new components including wheels and tires, tilt steering column, steering box, front axle, and other key updates, ensuring smooth handling and reliability. The automatic transmission paired with a gasoline engine provides an easy, enjoyable driving experience. Holding a clean title and showing no significant damage, this T-Bucket is ready for weekend cruises, car shows, or as a standout piece in a classic car collection. Its bright color, fresh upgrades, and low mileage make it a highly appealing example of a vintage American roadster. 1938 Chevrolet Master Deluxe. Price: $19,500. Mileage: 55,000 miles. Location: Isanti, Minnesota. The 1938 Chevrolet Master Deluxe two-door sedan is a beautifully preserved example of pre-war American automotive design, finished in classic black with a complementary beige interior. Purchased from the estate of the original owner, this rust-free car has been carefully maintained, retaining both its authenticity and charm. Powered by a reliable gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers smooth, dependable driving while staying true to its vintage roots. With 55,000 miles, very good condition, and a clean title, the vehicle is mechanically sound and visually striking, making it ready for car shows, cruises, or addition to a high-quality collection. Every detail, from the straight body panels to the well-maintained interior, reflects careful ownership and attention, highlighting the timeless elegance of 1930s Chevrolet craftsmanship. 1929 Ford GT Model: a Tudor sedan. Price: $40,000. Mileage: 3,000 miles. Location: Poulsbo, Washington. A striking 1929 Ford GT, built from a Model A Tudor sedan, finished in bold red with a gray interior, combining classic styling with modern hot rod performance. Powered by a 350 engine with a 671 supercharger, it delivers exhilarating power and smooth automatic transmission driving. The car features a 2.5-inch top chop for an aggressive, low-profile look, complemented by chopped rear fenders that enhance its street presence. With only 3,000 miles and meticulously built details, this Ford GT is a rare, head-turning classic ready for car shows, cruising, or addition to a collector's garage. Every aspect of the build, from the bold exterior to the powerful engine and refined interior, demonstrates exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail, making it a true standout among vintage American hot rods. 1940 Willys Steel Body Pro Street. Price: $59,900. Mileage: 1,000 miles. Location: Buffalo, New York. A rare and striking 1940 Willys sedan built into a blown Pro Street custom show car, featuring an all-steel body and complete ground-up restoration. Finished in a vibrant blue exterior with a beige interior, this Willys blends classic 1940s design with modern high-performance engineering. Equipped with an automatic transmission and gasoline engine, it delivers smooth and thrilling performance while maintaining a pristine, show-ready presence. With only 1,000 miles and a clean title, the car has no significant damage and is in exceptional condition. Ideal for collectors and enthusiasts, this Willys offers a perfect combination of vintage styling, aggressive Pro Street performance, and meticulous craftsmanship, making it a standout centerpiece for any collection or car show. 1928 Ford Street Rod. Price: $29,000. Mileage: 63,524 miles. Location: Gainesville, Florida. A 1928 Ford Street Rod sedan powered by a 350 Chevy engine with automatic transmission, combining classic pre-war design with modern performance. Finished in blue, it delivers a bold, head-turning presence while offering reliable drivability for cruising or show events. With 63,524 miles, the car has been well maintained and is ready for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a classic street rod with vintage styling and strong performance. Ideal for weekend drives, car shows, or adding to a curated classic collection, this Ford Street Rod reflects a perfect balance of historic charm and modern usability. 1929 Chevy Chop Top Hot Rod. Price: $16,000 or best offer. Condition: used, good. Location: Boca Raton, Florida. If you've been searching for a classic hot rod packed with attitude and aggressive styling, this 1929 Chevy Chop Top delivers exactly that. Built with quality components and featuring a bold stance, this street machine offers serious potential for the right enthusiast who understands vintage performance builds. The chopped roofline gives the car a low, mean profile, while the suicide doors add custom flair and classic hot rod character. Under the hood sits a strong 327 small block Chevy engine, paired with a TH400 turbo automatic transmission, a proven and durable drivetrain combination known for reliability and power. Power is transferred through a Ford 9-inch rear end, one of the most respected rear differentials in the performance world, capable of handling serious torque. 1934 Plymouth Business Coupe. Price: $45,000. Mileage: 400 miles. Location: Eustis, Florida. A beautifully built 1934 Plymouth Business Coupe finished in vibrant red with a refined tan interior, blending classic 1930s styling with serious modern performance. Powered by a Summit short block 350 paired with dart heads, a Moon intake, and Holley Dominator EFI, this coupe delivers strong, responsive horsepower with the reliability of modern fuel injection. A K&N air system supports efficient airflow, while the automatic transmission ensures smooth and effortless driving. With only 400 miles since completion, 2-owner history, and a paid-off status, the car remains in excellent condition and ready for the road. Combining show-quality appearance with high-performance engineering, this Plymouth offers a rare opportunity to own a meticulously crafted. 1936 Chevrolet Chevy pickup. Price, $14,000. Mileage, 15,000 miles on the engine. Location, Miami, Florida.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Classic 1936 Chevrolet pickup offered at an attractive price and ready for its next owner. Finished in black, this vintage truck carries timeless pre-war styling with bold fenders, upright grille design, and unmistakable 1930s character. It has had one owner and is fully paid off, providing peace of mind for the buyer. The truck has been built with a replacement engine, which is where the reported 15,000 miles apply. Paired with an automatic transmission, it offers a more comfortable and user-friendly driving experience compared to the original factory setup, making it easier to enjoy for cruising or weekend use. Fuel type is gasoline. Legend race car. Price, $6,500. Condition used, good. Location, Johnson City, Tennessee. Up for sale is a competitive Legend race car powered by a Yamaha FJ1200 engine that runs strong and performs well. Known for their lightweight chassis, responsive handling, and exciting performance, Legend cars are a popular choice for short-track racing and grassroots motorsports across the country. This example is reported to be in good condition and ready for the track. The Yamaha FJ1200 motorcycle engine provides excellent power-to-weight performance, delivering quick acceleration and high revving capability that makes these cars incredibly fun to drive. Whether you are looking to get into organized Legend racing, practice at local short tracks, or simply own an affordable and thrilling race-ready machine, this car presents a solid opportunity.